Are you ready to start a business, but feel held back by a lack of technical skills? In today's digital age, AI tools have leveled the playing field, allowing anyone to launch a profitable venture. Content is king, and businesses are constantly in need of fresh material. With tools like ChatGPT, you can offer content writing services for blogs, product descriptions, and social media posts. Social media presence is crucial for businesses, but many lack the time or expertise to manage it effectively. Utilize tools like Canva for designing eye-catching graphics and ChatGPT for crafting compelling captions. Video content is booming, and short-form videos are particularly popular. With platforms like Opus Clip and Pictory, you can convert lengthy videos into concise, engaging clips suitable for platforms like TikTok. Every business needs a website, but not everyone knows how to build one. Enter Durable AI, a tool that can create a fully functional website in minutes.